Here at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2018 BMW R9T Racer with a 1,170cc boxer engine and a 6-speed transmission. This engine is air and oil cooled and produces 110 horsepower at 7,750 RPMs. It only has 6 miles. It is basically brand new. It hasn't even been ridden. With a unique cafe racer look that gives the rider an aggressive riding position. It's barely gotten warm, and it's available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.